Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake mango at home. Start by picking ripe mangoes and chilling your milk in glasses. Peel and cube 2 mangoes, then combine with 1 cup cold milk, 1/2 cup vanilla ice cream, and 1 tablespoon honey. Blend until smooth and creamy, taste and adjust sweetness, then pour into chilled glasses and garnish with a mango slice for a refreshing treat. Begin by adding mango cubes, 1 cup cold milk, 1/2 cup ice cream, and 1 tablespoon honey into a blender. Start blending on low to break up the fruit, then increase to medium-high for about 30 seconds until the texture is silky. Stop and scrape the sides once if needed, then taste and add a touch more honey for sweetness. Pour into chilled glasses and enjoy your freshly made mango milkshake. Try swapping ingredients to match your mood or diet. Use plain yogurt instead of ice cream for a tangy, lighter milkshake, or replace milk with almond milk for a dairy-free option. For depth, add a pinch of cardamom or a squeeze of lime for brightness. If you prefer thicker texture, use frozen mango pieces and skip extra ice. Always taste as you go, adjusting sweetness and consistency to suit your palate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.